All right, smart money, smart money. SMSFX mentors, right? Listen, gang, we already got the new merch, man. New merch is out here. The new merch is here, okay, guys? So we got, we got hoodies, we got t-shirts, we got hats, socks, drawers. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we got it all, man. So now it's time for you guys to get over to the merch, to the SMSFX mentors some love, okay, guys? So, you know what I'm saying? I did my part. I got the merch out there. It's out there. We got the SMSFX lounge wear, you know what I'm saying? T-shirts, pants, man, socks, you know what I mean? Phone cases, everything, anything that you can imagine, you know what I'm saying? That's merch. We have it, guys. So go ahead over there and show love. Not only that, right? If you guys do show love, okay? So you guys show love, right? I'm going to show a little of that love back in return, okay? What I decided to do is if you show love on the merch, right? And I know you guys are already into trading, that's why you're on this video, then guess what? I'm going to put you into my premium signal group for 30 days, 1 month free. That means you got 30 days to run it up with me, right? We probably got challenges we need done. We probably got, quotas we want to reach before the end of the week. We probably got a lot of stuff that we're trying to do before the end of this month, right? First year in the month, first quarter, right? We're trying to get this quarter popping. Guess what? You get to run it up with me and see what, all this is all about, okay? Now, secondly, right, I know I started up the podcast, okay? So you want to go over to Spotify. You want to look up SMSFX Mentor, and then you want to watch for, me dropping all new releases, new stuff about, Forex, right? My journey, okay? New different things that you can when you sitting around chilling or whatever, you can slap in the headphones, you know what I mean? You can slap in some of these, you know what I'm saying, some earbuds, and you can get it popping. You can go ahead and listen to some content, okay? Also, guys, I have the SMSFX mentor group, okay? So you can come in there and share all type of ideas. We got sentimental value. Sometimes I give out loose end trades, all different type of structure setups that's going on for the week on different pairs, guys. I show love, okay, guys? So, if you're on the YouTube, might as well start digging deep now. Might as well start looking for a mentor or someone that you can relate to, okay, guys? So I'm just gonna kind of briefly go through and I'm gonna show you guys, I'm pretty much gonna show you guys, I'm gonna share the screen with you guys first. Let me share the screen with you guys, okay? And then I'm pretty much going to, show you guys the free course that I have in the group, and I'll leave the link, guys, in the description, below this video. I'm going to leave basically full details on how you can get over here and join this free course right here. So I got a full free course, and it's not just me talking, guys. We're going to pull out the charts. I'm showing you key levels, support and resistance, supply and demand, identifying, the trend, knowing the importance of structure, and what is pure price action, right? So you want to go over there and take that free course. It's already 43 members who are already trying to change their life in 2022, guys. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to come over here to Spotify so I can show you guys, okay, boom, go to search, type in SMSFX mentors, and then you can click on that, and then you can come over here to the podcast and come over here and check out some live information, guys, that's going to help you out, right? How I started trading, psychological methodology, right? Fibonacci, right? We're talking about the Fibonacci, what brokers to use, the Ichimoku cloud, Bollinger Bands, 200 EMA, 5 cheap stocks, you know what I'm saying? Stuff like that, right? 3 types of analysis, right, that you're supposed to be doing before you get into the charts, right? Tools you need to start investing, right, to put your money to work for you, right? What is Forex, right? We got a lot of different things over there, right? And another thing that you want to check out is babypips.com, okay? So what you want to do is you want to come over to babypips.com, create you a nice portfolio or platform, right? And just go to work, go to how to trade Forex. And we got a school of typology, right? From 1st to 12th grade, right? Before you even seek a mentor, I advise you to come over here first, right? So that way you won't look crazy or embarrassed. You won't have to be thinking, oh, is that a dumb question I'm asking? None of that. You'll already have a general idea on what's going on, okay, guys? Also, here's the store, okay? So now we got the store, we got the t-shirts. Look, real cheap values of stuff, right? You can get t-shirts, you know what I'm saying? You can get, what else is cheap on here? You can get the social distancing mask. You can get a social distance face mask. You can get a sticker for $7.99, right? Because my signal group is only $39.99, but it's a monthly fee, right? So I'm giving you that for free 1 month. So you're going to be able to run up a bag, going to be able to make money, you know what I'm saying, off of me for the free ball, just purchasing something on here. So not only that, guys, but okay, let's just say you want to get a t-shirt, right? Excuse me, guys. You want to get a t-shirt, but you say, hey man, $26 is a little too expensive right now, right? You can come over here and make 4 easy payments of $6.75. So that $6.75 will be due on the first time you on the first payment. And then boom, guess what, guys? You're in my trading group, right? You're in my signal group. Easy as that, right? So we got Afterpay, guys. So no excuses, right? Just try it out. $6.75. If I mess you over and that's how I got you out of my life is just $6.75, then so be it, right, guys? Think about it, right? What can you lose there, right? So go ahead and sign up, man, and go ahead and get in the premium signal group all the month of February. I am going to put you guys in the group, and guess what? You guys are gonna be able to run it up with me, all right? So now, you know what I'm saying? Now, guys, since you came this far, right? What I wanted to do is I wanted to show you guys this simple strategy, right? The simple strategy that's making me money in the markets and making tons and tons of people money in the markets, right? And you know, it's really, really simple to do. It's nothing too crazy. You know what I mean? It's just something really, really simple. And I feel like, you know, I really don't want to show you guys this, right? Because, you know what I'm saying? I got people that pay all type of stuff. They're gonna be looking at me like, dang, bro, you know what I'm saying? Why are you giving out all the sauce? Whoop-de, whoop-de, whoop, right? And now what I'm gonna be doing, what am I gonna say? Like, oh man, you know, blase splee, right? But guys, guess what? I'm willing to take that sacrifice for you guys, okay? I'm willing to take that sacrifice for you guys. And you know what I'm saying? I hope you guys appreciate it. And you know, I hope you guys show some love back while I'm showing love, okay? But anyways, right? So I really want to show you this technique. You know, you can use it on any time frame, right? But I know a lot of us are scalping and we're scalpers. We like to use bigger time frames. I mean, you know, smaller time frames, okay? And you know, ain't nothing wrong with that, right? So we can go ahead and check out you know, a couple of these moves and what to do and how to do it and how to use it, you know what I'm saying? All of the above, right? So first, guys, I guess I'll draw it first so you guys can understand, right? We all know what a trend is, right? So we got price coming, trending up to the upside, right? So higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right? And most of the time, right, we see price going up to the upside. You know, it's beautiful and we hop in, and guess what? Price either reverses on us or pullbacks on us, a major pullback to where it's like, you know, we in drawdown, we hit, we like, what the heck did we just get ourselves into, right? Well, guys, I want to show you a trend and what you will call a supply and demand area. Okay, guys. So using this supply and demand technique, guys, it's really simple. It really works when price is trending. Okay, guys. So more than likely, you know, you're going to have price trending to the upside, like I said, right? And we're going to have a trend line going through here like this, right? So it's similar to my other video, right? With the trend line, sell side, buy side, okay? But now I'm going to give you a couple extra techniques, okay? So when we're looking at these, we're looking at what, right? We're looking at higher lows, and we're looking at higher highs, okay? Right now, we want to, when it's trending to the upside, we're looking for support. So we want to find these higher support areas. So higher high, right? Higher high, okay? Now, most of the times, like I said, when we're seeing the uptrend, you know, we like to get in, we like, okay, boom, we're going to get in. So we get in here, right? And then you see price start to come do this, start changing structure a little bit. So it start crossing over to that sell side, okay? Now, when it start crossing over to that sell side, does not all the time means that, okay, price is going to just start reversing and going to the downside, right? So we need reasoning why, you know, even if it was to come down to this downside, why is it coming down to this downside? And, you know, is this a reversal or is price going to come down to this point right here, catch support and start shooting to the upside, right? We all see this. We all see it happen. We see it multiple times happening. And we wonder why, you know, why our trade was a bust, right? Why did we lose? Okay. Well, with this technique, okay, guys, what you're going to do is you're going to wait, right? So let's just say, okay, price is going trending to the upside and you see it break to the sell side. And you're like, oh, man, see, man, Luke said as soon as it goes to the sell side, it's going to work. It didn't work, right? Let me show you what I'm looking for when I'm looking for the sell side. So when price is coming over and it crosses over to the sell side, right? And it's making higher lows, higher lows, right? What I'm waiting on is a candle to close below, You see what I'm saying? To close below that last, right? That last higher low, okay? That then confirms, okay, wait a minute, price could be going down to the downside, okay? Now, wait, hold your horse. You like, dang, that makes sense. I'm gonna start using that. Wait, guys, wait. There's more to this technique, okay? And I'm gonna show you how this works in the markets, right? I'm gonna show you how this works in the markets and how it works all the time, and how we be missing out on it, and we don't even be paying attention because we so in the moment just trying to find this holy grail that we're not paying attention to everything that we need to be paying attention to. So more than likely, guys, what price always does is, okay, when price is reversing or have a breaking point or catches a pivot or an exhaustion or a resistance level, okay, what it tends to do is it wants to shoot down, right, and it breaks and it closes, right? So sometimes, right, we'll enter in for this sell here, right, thinking that price is going to continue to go down. But what we see happen is, right, price started doing something like this. After it closed below this, it started coming back up here, coming back up here, and we wondering what the heck, right? And so we got in for that sale, and now we're in negatives, right? And we wondering why we're in negatives, like what the heck? Now your mind's playing tricks on you now, guys. Now you're like, wait a minute, so it is an uptrend. Oh man, now let me exit out of this sale and let me get in for this buy, right? This is our first mistake, okay, guys? Because what we don't realize is that when price was coming up to this certain point, right, it hit a what you call a supply box, okay? So more than likely, always when these breakout trades happen like this, we always create a zone, okay? We always create a zone right here, okay? More than likely, okay? Not all the time, so don't mark my word, but 80% of the time, 70% of the time, most of the time, guys, this is usually what happens. Now, price came and broke this low, right? And so we're like, okay, wait, it's price. Now, if price would have stayed above this last low right here, or this last high right here, if price would have stayed below, above this last high, then we could have said, okay, wait, price cost support, maybe to keep pushing through this level right here and continue to the upside. But But guys, that's not the case. Price closed below, made a lower low, right? And then it started making lower highs, okay? Started making lower highs. So remember, we're paying attention to structure when we're looking for this type of move in the market, okay? So now price comes down past below this last low, okay? Makes a lower low, start making lower highs, right? So we already understanding that, wait a minute, this could be a downtrend, right? Price usually always comes back and retests the supply area, okay, guys? So price is always going to maybe come back, do this, come back down, retest the supply area, right? Before shooting down to this last target right here, okay? Okay, and I'm gonna show you what I'm saying, and I'm gonna show you why this, this happens almost all of the time, guys. I can kind of give you an example of a downtrend, okay? I can give you an example of a downtrend, right? Excuse me. Anyway, so prices start coming down, all right? Make a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, okay? So now price making this lower high, and we got a trend to the downside, okay? Now, you know what I'm saying? We got this trend to the downside. We got price coming through here, and now it's coming back down, right? Coming back up, right? Past this low. So, okay, so sorry. Okay, so now when we're looking for a downtrend, we got lower high, lower high, lower high, okay? So now, right, we see price coming down, whatever, boom, coming back up, coming down, right? And we see it closes above, right? We see it closes above this last lower high, okay? So when we see price close above this last lower high, now if price stayed below this lower high, then we probably see price shooting, continue to come down to the downside. But price cracks this lower high and make a new higher high, right? Now we can say, oh, wait a minute. Price is probably about to switch directions, right? Because it broke structure, right, guys? So once it came past this point, it broke structure, okay? So it broke structure, right? Most of you say, okay, I'm about to enter in for this buy, right? So you enter in for this buy, but you're not really paying attention to, okay, price just broke structure and you didn't see this demand area, okay? So this demand area were aggressive, buyers stepped into the market, okay? So now aggressive buyers stepped into the market, all right? So what they did was when they start pushing the market up, they made a new higher high, right? So more than likely, I'm not saying all the time, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys different ways. And so that, like, that's what you guys gotta understand, right? The market is not for you to trade every second of a second, right? It's to practice a technique. Try that technique and keep practicing that technique. Don't take no trades until you see this technique happening. Okay, don't just try to force this technique to happen because it's different techniques, it's different ways you need to trade, it's different things you need to learn, guys. So I'm just keeping it a buck with you before you just hop in there and say, oh, Luke said as soon as it did this, it's going to do that, because that's not what I'm here for, okay? I'm not telling you that, all right? I'm just showing you guys a technique that works when it is a play on the floor for this technique, okay, guys? Simple as that, all right? So you get in, you go for the buy, and you're like, okay, I'm gonna target up here. But what ended up happening is price started coming back down this way. Boom, making more lower high. So now you're confused. You're like, oh man, let me get in for this sale now. Wait, man, see, man, woo, right? So what you do is you end up getting for this sale, right? And what price does is come back and retest this area before just shooting off into the direction that you said it was gonna go in the first place, all right? So, you know what I'm saying? Hope y'all could see that and understand that. So we had supply here, which is basically, you know what I'm saying, a resistance level, okay? And then you had a demand here, all right? So you had a demand here, all right? Demand. And y'all gotta excuse my writing, but you know what I'm saying? Y'all get it. We had a demand here, supply here, okay, guys? Push up, break a new high, break structure, come back, retest, double bottom type sort of thing, and then shoot to the top, okay? Now, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm talking about on the charts, okay? So now we're done with this drawing. We're gonna delete all this crap. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all like, man, I don't like when people be drawing, man. Show me on the chart, man. Oh, man, y'all be cat, man. I don't know what y'all talking about, man. And bro, I know you saying that because I was there. I'm telling you, bro, it ain't nothing you, bro, listen, ain't nothing you can tell me that I ain't said or did, bro. It's all cap, right? All cap until you start learning how to do it. And then you're going to be sick because when you're trying to explain to the people that's under you, they're going to be looking like, you cap, you ain't doing, you're going to get mad. You're going to be seeing, now you're going to be like, damn, I wish I never was saying that people was capping. Just, I wish I would have just been trying to learn, man. Just been on some learning stuff, man. But I was just trying to be hating, right? So we don't got time for hate, man. Go ahead and cut the video off. We don't need you. All right, but anyways, right, so now we're gonna have like I said, we're not saying that this happened every time, all the time. We're just telling you that this, you know, this is what be happening, okay, guys? So we got area right here just like this, okay? That area just like this, okay? Right? So we're trending to the upside, right? So we got this trend, boom. We trend all the way to the upside, all right? Now we can put this here, boom. We can say, all right, boom. We can put it right here, right? Because we wanted to do it right at that first break. That's what we would have saw. We wouldn't have saw that yet. We would have saw this trending to the upside. And we would be like, all right, got a trend, cool trend to the upside. Now let's identify, you know what I'm saying, our upside trend. So let's find all the higher highs. So we got higher high right here. Let me just turn all these black real fast. Settings. Style, we're gonna switch the style up. And when they hate, then let them hate. Then watch the money pile up. All right, but anyways, right? So we're gonna come right here, go to setting. We're gonna go right here. All right, boom. We got this trend up to the upside. Now we're gonna find all the lower highs, all right? So we got one right here. Maybe not all of them, but we're gonna try to mark as many as we can. All right, right here. And then this is going to be the last one that we mark up right here. Okay. So we got this trend up to the upside. We seeing, okay, boom, price came right here, pulled back, shot up. Came right here, pulled back, shot back up. Came right here, pulled back up, shot back up. Came right here, pulled back up, shot right back up. Right. So we seeing that, right? So now we see price breaking. We see price breaking this point. And we see price, you know, sometimes, you know, it might not close, like I told you guys, it might not close right below it, but you'll see a crazy wick rejection down below it. Or you know, where you're like, okay, wait, price might want to go back down that way, or they might want to go test that area one more time at least. Okay, guys. So what happens is, right, You got this low, you got price closing above this low on this, just on this situation, right? And what we got is we have a supply area, okay, where we see a lot of aggressive selling in the area. So aggressive selling is 2 or 3 or more candles, okay? So we take these 3 candles and, you know, we mark this area up, okay? And so, boom, we mark this area up, okay? So what you're seeing was the price coming down, pulls down, it breaks the last higher low, right? And then pulls back up and close above it. Right after closing above it, price did what it's supposed to do. It started pushing up to the upside. So once price started pushing up to the upside, it came back into the supply box, right? Where we got a lot of aggressive sellers at. We know we got a lot of aggressive sellers yet because we pushed the market all the way back down to make a lower high, right? And now even though it didn't close as a lower high on this time frame, on another time frame, it could have closed below it, okay? But anyways, right, it didn't. So we got it pushing up. Prices could have went under there, under lower time frame, but we're looking at this time frame. And what it did was price came back, pulled back up to this area, okay? Failed to break this area and pulled back into the supply area, okay? Shortly after that, we see price pulling back down, okay, guys? Pushing back down, right? Pushing back down, right? All the way back down to this level. Almost perfectly to where you could have said, okay, let me put a short on there. I'm gonna put my stops back above here. Tight stops. And I'm targeting this last low, right? Okay. So we got break, push down, pull back to that point, and then right to your area. Okay. So now you would have been like, you know, you would have got in for the sell, and then you'd have seen it start pulling back up. You'd have been like, man, bro, I'm about to get back in for the buy. It's gonna continue up. But you got to remember, okay, you was in the supply area. Okay, and then price caught resistance and started pushing back down, and it came right back down to this level. Okay, so now let me show you guys a downtrend. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys a downtrend right here. Simple. I ain't even gotta go nowhere. It happened right back to back. Okay, so now we got a line because we see 1 hit, 2 hit, 3 hit. So we got a line coming down in the downtrend. Okay. However you want to do it. You can do it this way. You can do it this way. However you want to do it, right? You can do it this way, okay? But we know we got a trend to the downside, okay? All right, boom. So now we trending to the downside. All we want to do is mark off our lower highs, okay? So we want to mark off this lower high. And we can get rid of some of these other lines and stuff like that so we won't get confused really fast. You know what I'm saying? Let's get rid of these real fast. Okay, let's get rid of all of that real fast. And that, all right? So now we want all the lower highs. Okay, so we got this lower high. Okay, this lower high. And this lower high, okay? So you're just trying to figure out, wait a minute. Is price in an actual reversal right here, or is price going to continue to go down to the downside? So once we seen price come here, boom, hit here, boom, hit here, boom, hit here, we see it, price pushing down. Now we see price pulling all the way up, right? This is what I was talking about. We see price pulling all the way up, right? Breaking the last lower high, right? Making a new structure, okay? Now, after it broke this last high, you know, more than likely, guys, as retail traders, we're trying to get in for this buy, right? We're trying to get in for this buy to target this last high, right? So we're just trying to target either this last high or this last high, okay? So since we got our line from here to here, we're only trying to target this last high right here, right? Price pulls all the way up, breaks this level here, which is our last lower high for the downtrend, right? And breaks the downtrend, breaking, changing structure. So we would have got in for this buy, immediately would have went into negatives, okay? Because we have a demand area here. So like I said, 3 or more candles, we have a demand area. So price started pushing to the upside. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we can put it down here on the close of it. 1, 2, 3 candles. Okay, break structure, pushes all the way up to the upside, right? So once price pushes all the way up to the upside, we figure, hey, we got an uptrend. Let me get in for this buy, right? So now you go right to negatives, right? Because price pushed all the way up and it came back to retest. More than likely, guys, price is going to always, after it breaks a trend, it's going to come back to retest to make sure, okay, we might have to, you know what I'm saying? This might not be a breaker trend. This might, you know, be a continuation to the downside, right? Because why price can come up here, retest here, and just continue to keep pushing down, right? Why price didn't do that? Because we were in a demand area. So a lot of aggressive buyers came into the market. So aggressive buyers came into the market, right? So price pushed up, started coming back down immediately, retesting this demand area. Like, let me see if these buyers serious right here. Let me see if they serious or they gonna be scared out and price gonna let's keep pushing price down to the downside. But what happened? What price caught support right at that demand area, right at this retest area, and then what? Look at it. And then and this is it, guys. I'm not gonna make the video too long, man, because it's simple. I just showed you guys right in your face. Stops below here, tight stop loss. You ain't even have to tight stop loss here, right? And what did we retarget? This area right here. SMSFXMentors.com, right? I'm gonna always show love. All I want you to do is try to do the same thing. You know what I'm saying? I know it's tight out here. I know it's hard. So, you know what I'm saying? I got ways, guys. I have a million different ways. Just kick it with me. You know what I'm saying? Hit me in the DM and be like, hey, you know, can I start a payment plan with you, right? I might can do some cash app payment plans, right? We can figure it out, guys. But listen, or we could have retargeted this supply area, but we didn't know the supply area was there yet, right? Until we got this trend, okay? So, but like I said, guys, this is that simple, man. Literally, look, it's going all back in the circle, doing the same thing, guys. SMSFXmentors.com or SMSFXmentor.store, right? So that you can get into this free signal route. And then I can show you these signals. I can call these signals for you guys. And then you still can eat while trying to learn at the same time, guys. So, you know, if you probably didn't understand this video, you can keep this video, man, record it, screen record it, do what you got to do, keep going over until you understand it. You know what I'm saying? And then go apply it on demo first, guys. Go apply it on demo first. Try a demo, right? And if it works out for you demo, then you already know what to do, right? And you know what I'm saying? If you ever seeking that mentorship and you want to take trading to another level, take it serious. I don't take all trades, guys. That's why I'm not rich as Oprah yet. But when I start getting crazy and comfortable with every pair, every trade, and really be on these charts day 24/7, it's over, guys. Listen, I know so many different strategies. I know so many different ways to enter the market. It's amazing. It's crazy. You can do it too, though. I believe in you guys. I definitely believe in you guys. I definitely believe that you can do it. You're looking at a person that lost millions of times. I'm not sitting here saying, oh, I'm the best, I'm this, I'm that. I'm just trying to make ways for you guys, like better ways for you guys to understand this. Because I'll understand if price broke this lower high, regardless, looking at it, whatever. I can understand price broke the trend without the trend line, guys. I can see it. I already can see it. I can see exhaustion from a mile away. I can see when prices are going in reverse from a mile away. I can see when prices hitting certain price levels, and I already understand it. Okay, guys. So just trust me. I'm only creating these techniques so, you know, it'll help you guys better enter the market for free, guys. You know, all I ask you guys is just to go watch it on YouTube, go watch, you know, go listen to me on the podcast, go look at all the free content that I have. You know what I'm saying? I'm not here to suck all your money dry. You know what I'm saying? I ain't charging you thousands of dollars for my information. I'm giving it to you for free, right? But I know when you want to dig into that extra mentorship and you really want to understand how I understand all this, then I know you're gonna hit me up. So I'm not worried, right? I'm here, right? So like I said, man, go ahead, you know, sign up. If you want to sign up for that mentorship, you get unlimited access for $199.99. I mean, I feel like that's the cheapest price on the planet, right now. People charging $30,000, $50,000, $60,000, right, for their time, okay? I'm only valuing my time at $200 because at the end of the day, I understand. So I'm here to help, guys. SMSFXMentors.com. Guess what? I'm gonna be getting mines either way, bro. From now on, guys, go follow my Instagram, Facebook. I'm documenting every trade, losses, wins, whatever it takes, right? I'm documenting everything that I'm doing, okay, personally, okay? So let's get it, man. Gang.